How to embed YouTube videos in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can insert or embed YouTube videos in Canva. You can insert YouTube videos in Canva by two methods. For first one, go to Apps section. There, search for Embed, and you will see the icon as shown on the screen. Click on it and click on Use. Now you will need the link of the YouTube video that you want to insert here. So just copy the link and paste it here. Then click on Add to Design. And as you can see, the video has been embedded. For the next method, go to the App section again. And instead of searching for Embed, we're going to search for YouTube. And you can see the icon as shown on the screen. Click on it. Then click on Use. And you can see a lot of YouTube videos there. You can pick one from there, or you can even search for the particular video. Then just click on the video that you want to insert, and that is all you need to do. And everyone, that was how to insert or embed YouTube videos in Canva. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.